Okay, yeah, that sounded nice. Let's do it again. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a review on some of the gears I recently got. I got this microphone, the AirPods, and some new tripod stands, and so many other things I got recently from the love of my life. I got an LED light, some gears adjusters, and some tripod stands. So guess who the love of my life is? Just comment below if you know. It could be anybody. It might even be you watching. If you're a guy, no, not you. Girl, yes, the girl there. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay guys, we are back. Let's tear this up right now, you know. Let's not waste time. I'm like a very hungry guy that really wants to eat. So we have the tripod stand, the LED light, the adjusters, and this is the mic pad, and that's like the mic we're wearing right now. So let's start with the tripod stand. Okay, let's dive in. This smells really nice. Okay, so we have the tripods. We got this. For me, this is actually a very long tripod. It's really nice. So we are going to the LED lights right now. Oh wow, this is beautiful. LED lights. This might take a little bit time, so let me just do this and get back to you guys. Okay guys, I'm done setting it up. You know, this is how it looks, and the next thing is for the, so next is the adjuster. Yeah, so this is what it has. It actually has two adjusters, the stand. Oh wow, controls. It's really cool. Okay, yeah, that sounded nice. Let's do it again. Wow, that's nice. Okay, let's put this together. Stands. Fix it in here somewhere. This is good. This is really good. So guys, here we have it, and it's now left for us to connect it to a power supply. Let me just get a power supply. Be back real quick. So guys, I'm back, and apparently it uses a USB port, and I'm going to be connecting it to my laptop because like right now there's no light, and the video is going well. So this is it. Here it goes. Wow. This is like, I think this is the highest, this is the lowest. Let me go back to the highest. This is the craziest part of it all. It has 3 different colors. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, I'm going to be taking my camera to this, and you see the difference in lighting. I had to turn off the light so I could set this up. It wasn't really necessary, but I felt like doing it. So you could actually see the effect difference. So I'm putting it back on. Yeah, this is actually fluorescent. This is like the highest, this is lowest. This is really cool, lowest. Okay, this is warm, and this is fluorescent plus warm. It looks really nice, you know, and it's very good for your videos. So that is all for this, guys. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. Honestly, this is not a sponsored ad. UBeesize didn't pay me, but then I felt like doing this because their product is really good. Don't forget to tell me who the love of my life is. It could be my friend, it could be my sister, it could be my mom, it could be my cousins, it could be my dog. I love that dog actually. It's a very good dog. Don't come to my house, it will bite you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell, okay? I'll see you on Friday.